Hello everyone, it's Tutor Nick. Welcome to Lesson 27. The solutions to Lesson 26 are linked in the description below. In this week's lesson, we are going to see and hear some language that is used for ordering food in restaurants. Listen carefully to the sentences and repeat them in the space after each one. You should speak your answers to exercises 3 and 4 out loud. A good tip is to use your mobile phone to record your voice so that you can compare it with the voice on the video. Are you all ready? Okay, let's go. Would you like to see the dessert menu? Can I have the bill, please? How would you like your steak? Are you ready to order? Excuse me, can I have 2 coffees and a tea, please? Is everything all right with your meal? Could I have some more rice, please? I'll have the soup to start with, please. Can you tell me what the house special is, please? Now listen to track 2 and do exercise 2. You may have to listen 2 or 3 times. Can I get you anything to drink? Are you ready to order? What would you like for a starter? And for your main course? Would you like a dessert? Listen to track 3. It's the same as track 2, but it is slower and has intonation marks. Speak the answers to each question from exercise 2. If you haven't printed out the worksheet, you should do so now and use it to answer the questions in exercise 4. Can I get you anything to drink? Are you ready to order? What would you like for a starter? And for your main course? Would you like a dessert? Listen to the words in track 3 again, and this time use the words in exercise 4. Can I get you anything to drink? Are you ready to order? What would you like for a starter? And for your main course? Would you like a dessert? Sometimes in different countries, although they speak English, they use different words for the same thing. So, for example, in English, in British English, the word starter, which is what you eat at the beginning of a meal, is the same as appetizer. In American English. So this is British and this is American. Can you see that? The second word that we're going to take a look at is, well, it's 2 words, main course. A main course in British English is the main course. It's the big part of the meal. In America, they use a French word for this, which is the word entrée, and this basically means to go in. The last one then, when you've finished your meal in England, in British English, you will ask for the bill. In America, you will ask for the check. So, same language, different words. Fun, huh?